Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a process video of a 6x8 layout that I made using products from Citrus Twist Kits. And I reached for this paper because I had a layout saved from Ashley Horton where she made a really pretty layout using that paper, and I thought in my brain that I was going to scrap lift it, but I am terrible at scrap lifting, so it does not look at all like what she made, but I still love how it turned out. It's super cute, and I just reached for a few photos that I printed that were not in my Project Life album. I had some extra photos in a little box, so I used these photos from her birthday when she turned 9, and I picked 3 of them. I knew that I wanted to follow that starburst design, and I also really wanted to use that happy from those puffy stickers. And then I had the idea to put something in the middle, so I'm gonna use these dies. They're not from Figurecraft. I just like to have them there because that way I can hang them in my pegboard. Those are the dies that I reach for the most, and they are from Lawn Fawn. Those are the circle stitch dies, and I cut 2 sizes. I didn't mind having the extra one. I'm just gonna put it back with the papers, and whenever I want to use it, it's there. And I'm also going to cut this big flower die cut from the ephemera pack from Crafting Memories. I'm going to use my Tombow Mono Air Touch adhesive to put everything together except the middle ones. I am going to use some Tombow foam tape for that, but I think that's the only thing that I'm going to use with the foam tape. The rest is going to be pretty flat. And I love how this layout turned out. I don't stretch my layout C-legs often, but when I do, I'm pretty happy with the product. I do like that little pop of black from the Crafting Memories flowers and also from the Happy. And I almost decided to mat the photos, but then I decided against it. I felt like it was going to take a little bit from the layout, and I used this super cute pink bubblegum foam stickers to write birthday. And I'm just going to add some items around it, and I kind of like, now looking back, how that pink butterfly looked like, but I'm pretty happy with what I did. And I'm just looking through the die cuts to see what I could use around. And the background paper is from a pack of basics and ledgers, which is really pretty, and they also have it in a digital version. If you wanted to print it maybe a little bit bigger, that would be perfect for that. And I'm just going to put some random stuff, and then I'm going to keep shuffling them. I know that I wanted to use purple and blue and pink because that's what I did with the cake. Most of the time I bake my daughter's cakes. I'm not a great baker, but you know, each year I have to say that they look a little bit better, except in her 8th year. Oh my god, it looked like a circus threw up on it. And I'm using the Tombow Mono Aqua liquid glue for the very small die cuts. That way, if I put too much adhesive, it's not going to dry tacky. And lately I'm a fan of my Quick Pick. And I use some scraps from Citrus Twist Kits papers to cut little stars and hearts using a Lawn Fawn die. And I'm trying to alternate the stars and the hearts It's not going to be perfect. I want it to look like confetti, you know, like a party, pretty random. I also want to alternate the colors a little bit. And later I'm also going to add enamel dots, which I used to have a lot. No, I still have a lot of enamel dots. I used to be a big fan, but then I started making these little hearts and kind of like got a little bit ignored. But I love how in this layout I was able to mix both. And it's a very simple layout, and it's also a small one, perfect for the Life Crafted albums. And I forgot to glue that little leaf on the right, and when I was going to take the photo that I moved the layout, it fell off and I was like, oops. But I glue it back, it's not a big deal, it stayed there. And these enamel dots are also from Citrus Twist Kits. I thought that I was going to use more of the big ones, but then when I was kind of like looking at them, it was a little bit too much. I'm doing this randomly. And I love how this turned out, that little sprinkle around the photo. It was so cute, and it's also like a quick layout. Perfect for when you want to like jumpstart your creativity. I hope you enjoyed this really quick video. I love this layout and I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.